Hello everyone, and today on Age of Dinosaurs, we'll be traveling 95 million years ago, where we will see some of the largest carnivores and largest herbivorous dinosaurs ever to exist. And we will see one of the longest and most unusual migrations in Earth's history. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Argentina, 95 million years ago. What is today Argentina, specifically Patagonia, it was a large, very strange world. South America had just separated from Africa, breaking apart the supercontinent Gondwana and giving birth to a new ocean, a very young Atlantic Ocean. South America was ruled by dinosaurs. Along with this, many other forms of life. For the next 90 million years, South America would be separate from the rest of the world, much like Australia is today. And in this separation, many new unusual species existed, some that were not seen anywhere else on the planet. While the dinosaurs ruled the land and dominated the entire planet, there was a new creature to see. This was a world that was full of different environments. So while the dinosaurs were the dominant species on the planet, they were only dominant on land. And there were still other vacuums to fill. While the large carnivores and herbivores ruled the lands far and wide, another creature lived alongside them. One of these other vacuums was the skies. And while the dinosaurs evolved and filled land, another animal filled the sky. This remarkable animal were called pterosaurs. Majestic beasts that were king of the skies for 160 million years. They came in many different ranges and sizes, and this one is one of the largest. And in today's story, he will be making one of the most spectacular journeys ever seen in Earth's history. This is Tropiognathus, one of the largest pterosaurs ever to have existed. Like many pterosaurs, Tropiognathus had the simple body plan of all pterosaurs: thin, hollow bones, which made it lightweight. Instead of feathers, their wings were made of a very thin layer of skin connected by their fourth finger and stretched across their body. Tropignathus actually had one of the longest wingspans at 8 meters, as long as a large hang glider. These males have red crests for part of the year. The red crest symbolizes that the males are ready to mate. Once a year, they make a migration from South America to Europe. But this is only a pit stop. A layover, you might say. Flying for over 300 miles, these males need a break. Pterosaurs primarily eat fish, small animals, and scavenge anything on the beaches. Not all the male Tropignathus are here to mate. Some are locals. This male does not have a red crest, which means he's simply living his normal life and is not traveling to Europe primarily. He's a local native of Argentina. Pterosaurs are at their peak and will be for the next 30 million years. But then they will give the skies to birds. While the pterosaurs comb the beaches, there are other animals that live on the beaches also. One of these creatures is the very small Noasaur. They are a very small carnivorous dinosaur primarily found across the southern hemisphere. Fossils from South America, Africa, India have been found, but the most intact specimens are found in Madagascar. They lived on the fringes of the dinosaur world, eating whatever scraps larger carnivores left, along with small animals. But they also had to watch out for Tropignathus, who was large enough to feed on them. Tropignathus is actually very big by pterosaur standards. He may not weigh much, up to 250 pounds, but most pterosaur wingspans are only between 2 to 3 meters wide. This pterosaur had an astounding 8 meters. But this layover is over. The males with the red crests must continue their journey. And now they are about to begin one of the most treacherous part of their journeys. Traveling a length from Florida to Maine. Across the young Atlantic Ocean. It is one of the most fantastic migrations ever seen in Earth's history. And in the next episode, we will see the continuation of this journey and the next step in it. We will also see the many dinosaurs that live in South America. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like my videos and would like to see more, please like, share, and subscribe. Have an amazing day.